Your light will fade. Not while I stand. Then fall. We shall see.
What if your enemy demanded your eye? Not for victory, but for humiliation. What if your nation was too afraid to fight until God raised a king from the fields? This is the story of Saul's first battle and the day Israel learned what leadership truly meant.
The danger is near.
We must stay together.
Our faith will guide us.
Children are scared.
The hour is upon us.
We must be strong. Have faith.
The land of Israel was quiet, but not at peace. Beyond the Jordan, an enemy was moving. His name was Nahash the Ammonite, a king known not for mercy, but for cruelty. He surrounded the city of Jabesh-gilead, cutting off every road, every hope of escape. The walls that once promised safety
It's time for the
now felt
Ammonites
like
to
a
take
prison.
over the land of Israel. Dispossess them of their inheritance.
Inside the city, fear spread faster than fire. Men whispered, children clung to their mothers. The elders knew they could not withstand the siege.
You
So
have
they
failed
went out
me
to
for the last
Nahash
time.
and begged for a treaty.
Mercy, you will pay the price! King Nahash, spare us. Make a covenant with us, and we will serve you. Serve me? Speak, my lord. I will gouge out the right eye of every man among you. Our eyes? Why such cruelty? So all Israel will wear your shame, so they will remember who broke them.
They offered themselves as servants, hoping submission might spare their lives. But Nahash did not want service. He wanted humiliation. He promised peace on one condition, that the right eye of every man in Jabesh-gilead be gouged out. Not to win a battle, but to shame an entire nation. The right eye was the shield eye. No man could fight again. Israel would live, but never stand. The elders trembled.
Give us 7 days. 7 days to send messengers through Israel. If no one comes, we will surrender. 7 days?
Yet they asked for 7 days. 7 days to send messengers throughout Israel. If no one came, they would surrender. Nahash agreed, confident that Israel was too divided, too afraid, too weak to respond. Messengers ran across hills and valleys, through dust and heat, carrying a message of terror. When the words reached Gibeah, the people broke down in tears. Their cries filled the streets. Among them stood Saul, the son
Why
of
is the
Kish,
city filled with
tall,
tears?
strong,
What has happened?
newly chosen as king, yet still unknown to the nation. He had just come in from the fields, oxen behind him,
Jabesh-gilead is surrounded.
hands marked by
Nahash
honest
demands our
labor.
right eyes.
Where is
When
God?
he heard the message,
They will blind us unless someone comes. This will not stand. Israel will not be shamed. The Lord did not bring us this far to abandon us now.
something stirred within him. The Spirit of God rushed upon Saul, not gently, not quietly, but with power, burned in him, not the anger of pride, but the fire of righteous justice. He took his oxen, cut them into pieces, and sent them throughout Israel with a warning that shook the land. Whoever did not follow Saul and Samuel into battle would suffer the same fate. Fear fell upon the people, not fear of Saul, but fear of the Lord. And Israel answered as one. From every tribe they came, from hills and
This is what will happen to the oxen of anyone who does not follow Saul and Samuel into battle. 300,000 from Israel! Send word to
villages long
Jabesh-gilead!
divided. 300,000 from Israel, 30,000 from Judah. For the first time in generations, the nation stood united. Saul sent word back to Jabesh-gilead. By tomorrow, before the sun grows hot, you will be delivered. Hope returned to the city like breath to dying lungs. That night, the people of Jabesh spoke to Nahash, pretending surrender. Nahash believed them. He rested, unaware that judgment was.
Tonight the stars themselves bow to Yes, Lord. Drink the night, hear our glory. It is an honor. Tomorrow they will surrender. Good. Let them enjoy their last night with both eyes.
Already marching toward him. Before dawn, Saul divided the army,
Divide the army into three companies. Strike at dawn. Show them that Israel still breathes.
Yes, Saul! Surrounding the Ammonite camp. As the first light broke the horizon, Israel struck. Steel met steel. Shouts shattered the morning stillness. The Ammonites awoke to chaos. They were attacked from every side. Their confidence turned to panic. Their formation collapsed. They fled, scattered so completely that no two of them remained together. By the time the sun stood high, the enemy was destroyed. Israel had been delivered.
They're scattering! They press forward! Run! Israelites are killing us! We are doomed!
Joy erupted through the camp, but anger
Where are the
followed.
men who said Saul could not save us? Let them die! No one will die today. Today the Lord has delivered Israel. This day belongs to him.
Some demanded death for those who had once doubted Saul's kingship, but Saul refused. On that day of victory, he chose mercy over revenge. He declared that no one would die, for the Lord himself had saved Israel. They went to Gilgal.
Let us renew the kingdom.
There the kingdom was renewed. Sacrifices were offered. The people rejoiced greatly. Saul was no longer just chosen, he was confirmed. Not by a crown of gold, but by obedience. Not by ambition, but by the Spirit of God. For the Lord had taken a man from the fields and shown a nation what a king could be.
Your light will fade, not while I stand, then fall! We shall see!
Subscribe now and experience the Bible like never before, where Scripture comes alive.